coaches. Wemblesfield, Plumpton, Lewes, Holgate, Eastbourne, Hampton Park, Helsey and Weston, Mormons Bay, Colonel Beach, Covington, Bexhill.
Good morning, we are shortly arriving into Eastbourne. Raining is here, please ensure you have all your belongings with you.
This is Eastbourne. This train is the service to Cornwall.
Eastbourne's Pier is about 300 metres long, and the original plans were very simple. A long The village church is dedicated to St Simon and St Jude. It has a Saxon tower with an unusual gate to prevent cattle from entering the church. Just behind the village hall is the 15th century Tiger Inn and Hikers Rest, a quaint old place to have a well-earned rest, meal and drinks. At the Tiger Inn, they offer local real ales. Westward to Hitchin-Abbas in Hampshire, just northeast of Winchester. The term Downs comes from the Saxon word dun, meaning hill. Sand dunes are so called for the same reason. In 2003, proposed over and filled with sand to block landing areas. During the early part of the war, hundreds of children were evacuated from London to Eastbourne. But by the middle of 1940, everyone except those doing essential work